All right, hello, my wonderful students. This is chapter or section 6.4, simplifying expressions with radicals, and this is foldable number 1. This is going to be a triple, and here we go. So let's go ahead and zoom into our first problem, which we have. We're going to do the first two, so about there. All right. All right. So we have the 216 to the 1/3 power. So I have this here that kind of remind us, and we also have a title. I know we haven't been doing it for a while, but this title is really important. It's kind of explains what's going on. So you have the nth root of x is equal to x to the 1 over n, or the better version where I like to use it actually has the is the nth root of x to m is equal to x to the m over n, which in some cases the m is going to be 1. So that kind of works out for us. So we're going to go ahead and kind of just rewrite this one from the get-go. When we go ahead and do this one, let me go change my color to blue. That being said, so this is going to be 216 to the 1/3 power. Well, if we follow the equation that we have here, we know that this is our 1 is going to equal to our m, and our 3 is going to equal to our n. So we just kind of follow this format here. We have the root, and it's going to be the n root, with this one is 3. So it's going to be the cube root of 216 to the 1st power for the m. And now all we have to do is find the cube root of this. So, but I know that this is equal to, I'll just go down. So the cube root of, I believe it's 6 cubed, because 6 times 6 is 36, and 36 times 6 is 216. So then now that we have this, we know these can simplify, and this would end up equaling 6, and that's our simplified form. Then we move on to the next one. We also go back to blue, which we were actually on, and we do the same thing. We have our formula, the same formula we're using here, and we find that our 1 is equal to our m, and then our 3 is equal to our n. So we can rewrite this again, just over here. We have this form, we're going to this form. So we have the square root of 125, well, not the square root, sorry, the nth root, and the nth is 3, so it's the cube root of 125 to the 1st power. And once again, all we got to do is kind of rewrite this. 125, I know it is, because of the cheat sheet I had from previous section, I know it's actually 5 cubed, because 5 times 5 is 25. And if you have 5 quarters, which is 25 cents, you have $1.25, which is what that is there. Once again, you can go ahead and see we can simplify this here. And this ends up giving us our